everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max without a pin. So if you forgot your parental controls pin, you can still reset it back to the factory default. So let's go on over to settings and then go on down to My Fire TV. Then go to reset to factory defaults. Then you can see your pin on the screen. Hold down the back button for like a second and then go back to the screen. Then select factory defaults once again, then hold down the back button, and you have to repeat this process, I believe 4 or 5 times, and then you're going to be brought to the screen where you can still go ahead and continue the factory reset. So let's do it one more time and see if this works. And here it is, reset to factory defaults. You are about to reset your Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max to the original factory settings. Your sign-in information and personal preferences may be lost, so you're able to completely bypass the parental controls pin when you're doing this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.